If you're planning to set up a company in Dubai, every consultant will give you a different cost for the company registration in Dubai. And some consultants, they may even give you a costing which is less than the government cost itself. This is because a lot of mis-selling happens here in Dubai, wherein a lot of consultants, they have hidden cost for company registration in Dubai. Hi everyone, I am Karan Batra and I've been helping people set up companies in Dubai for more than 15 years now. And in this video, I would be talking about the hidden cost of company setup in Dubai. Some consultants, they clearly include everything in their quotation, while others, they tend to hide them. So make sure whichever consultant you are dealing with has all these costs mentioned in the proposal for the company registration. The first and the most common hidden cost is the cost of the insurance policy. Having an insurance policy is mandatory to be eligible to obtain an Emirates ID and the residence visa. Without the insurance policy, the Emirates ID cannot be issued. And even if you have a global health insurance policy, it will not work, as the health insurance policy should be issued from the UAE. And therefore, most people, they end up paying this hidden cost, and therefore it is very important that you check that this is included in the proposal shared to you by your consultant. The cost of a medical insurance policy, it normally starts from 500 dirhams per annum onwards. Even if you don't intend to reside in the UAE, it is still mandatory for you to obtain a health insurance policy, as without this, your Emirates ID will not get issued. Most people, they get confused between a medical checkup and a medical insurance, and therefore it is advisable to check that the cost for both of them is included in the proposal. And this brings me to the next hidden cost, that is the cost for the medical checkup and the biometrics fees. Doing the medical checkup and biometrics is mandatory to get the Emirates ID. A lot of consultants, they don't mention this in order to show a lower pricing, but end up charging this in the end as a hidden cost. Just to apprise you, the cost for a medical checkup is 400 dirhams and the cost for biometrics is also 400 dirhams. These costs are for the normal processing. If you want to get the medical checkup and the biometrics completed faster, then you have to pay a VIP processing fees on top of this fees. Another hidden cost when opening a company is the cost for opening a bank account. Some consultants, they offer this service as complimentary, while others, they charge a fee for the same. It is always advisable to check with your consultant whether they charge a fee for the bank account opening or they offer this as complimentary. Another hidden cost is the cost for doing the corporate tax registration. Irrespective of whether your company is liable to pay tax or not in the UAE, doing the corporate tax registration is mandatory for all companies. This needs to be done within 90 days, otherwise a penalty of 10,000 dirhams gets applicable. Some consultants, they offer this service as complimentary, while others, they charge a fee for the same, so make sure that this is included in the proposal. Another area where consultants do mis-selling is the visa quota. They may say that your company has 3 visa quota, which basically means you are eligible to apply for 3 visas. However, this does not mean that these 3 visas are free. This only means that you are eligible to apply for the visa quota. When you are applying, you still have to pay the government fees and the other associated fee, which may take up another few thousand dirhams. So never talk about how many visa quotas are there. Always talk about how many Emirates ID will the consultant ultimately get issued without charging any additional fees. These were the 5 most common hidden charges which consultants normally charge. Having said that, some consultants, they may be charging some other fees as well. So make sure you talk to your consultant who's reliable and does not charge any hidden fees. And if you need any assistance from me or my team in setting up a company in Dubai, feel free to book a one-to-one strategy call with me through the link given in the description below. Thank you.